Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy, and this is the Rover Auction Review Series. And I know it's been a while, mostly because there hasn't been a whole lot of interesting things to review. Because, these Rovers are not just being daily driven by original owners and whatnot. They are aged out. They're on their third, fourth, and fifth owner. And stuff like L322s, LR3s, a lot of people are looking for them. I've received a lot of emails looking for decent ones, and they just don't pop up, at least at these dealer auctions, as often as they used to. So inventory is low, quality is low, lots of things clapped out, but I figured I'd highlight this one because I found it pretty interesting. I would say that I think this is one worth paying attention to. Now, this is an 07 L322 non-supercharged, but still Jag 4.4. It's in Washington, so about $1,800 worth of shipping to get it back here, at least to Richmond, Virginia. But 3-owner, 102,000 miles, all the right bits. Every factory add-on besides a supercharger that you can imagine, option-wise, I think is adorned to this vehicle. Whether it came stock like that or not, who knows. And it was traded into a Jaguar Land Rover dealer, Jaguar Tacoma right there. So again, good sign, 3 owners, 1 key, average wear and tear for the year. Washed it in, so probably not a whole lot of rust. But all the little bings and bobs that are associated with it are notated. It's got Michelin tires on it. It doesn't look rusty. It's got paint on it. So all these things are good signs, especially with 100,000 miles. Now, the problem with 100,000 miles is it could have received zero suspension, air suspension, mechanical component, alternator, belt pulleys. All of that could potentially be original. I'm not saying it is. I don't have Carfax. I can't run it. I can't see the maintenance history. But that is what you run into with buying these vehicles from, I would say, about 80 to 105,000 miles. Is they'll just last that long without any major repairs. And if you buy it and things start going wrong, you're looking at the person, you will be the person assuming those deficient maintenance items. So let's jump into the pictures here. You got the awesome factory grill guardy thing that's was kind of carried over. You've got the mud flaps. You've got the roof rails. You've got maybe a geographically specific city-oriented bump guards on the side doors, but you've got all the skid plates. You got those Michelin tires. You've got good silver paint. And the rear taillight guard. So yeah, all the bits and bobs, right? And that's kind of what, if you're looking, you'd spend a bunch of money trying to get those items, but it's all right here, right? And as far as pricing is concerned, MMR's $4,000. Who knows what it goes for? But people are looking for these. Oh, here's the creme de la creme, right? Blue interior with the wood accent, wood Lux steering wheel, white piping. I mean, that is an interior kind of worth the mustard here. So you wood shift knob, you've got the rubber mats, you have no check engine light. I don't know, guys. What do you think? This is, everyone's got these price points they don't want to meet or exceed. If you buy these trucks, if you want this spec and this color and this interior, there you go, Fraternal Order of Police. So maybe someone took care of it. Older gentleman maybe, but awesome interior, awesome color, good miles. This is a buy. Shipping is gonna be a bear. Oh yeah, orange coolant. It looks clean. Mats all around, dog cover. There's people that waste too much time participating in the search and not enough driving it and enjoying the thing. So depending on what kind of person you are, this could be the truck for you. If you're interested, shoot me an email, addicted.motors.us@gmail.com, and we'll see what it goes for. It runs on Friday, so you're out of time. See ya.